Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to recover deleted files, videos, or other data in pen drive, laptop, memory card, or any other devices with the help of Tenorshare are introducing data recovery software, and that software name is 4DDIG Data Recover for Mac and Windows as well. In this video, we will see how to download, install the software, and recover the data in this particular pen drive. I just copy some of the images, permanently delete these images, and with the help of Tenorshare data recovery software, we can recover very easily. So first of all, I attach here the pen drive on my Mac, and after that I just simply open here. The pen drive is totally empty, so I come back here in desktop. So I just simply copy 3 of images and paste here. This is the pen drive. I pasted here, and then command, and then after I delete this one, move to trash, empty. My pen drive is empty. Now we can come here. This is the platform 4DDIG data recovery software for Mac and Windows. Up to 500 MB is absolutely free. Recover the data. If you have Windows, so up to 2 gigabytes data you can recover absolutely free. Apart from that, you need to get premium subscription. Premium subscription is very affordable prices. What is the new of the software? Look at this here, totally free to data recover for recycle bin, local disk, external hard drive, or crash computer, etc. Best free software. Tool support up to 2000 plus file storage device. Not just a free recovery software, but also providing file repairing features also. Recover data free after formatting, OS crash, hard drive problem. Optimize your hard drive or computer and recover the data. We just simply click here, free download. Download size is very small, around 133 MB. Apart from that, here the raw files, computer, some other features they are introducing, which types of data you should recover: pen drive, SSD, CD, more, SD drive, laptop or drone footage, and digital camera as well. You won't get premium subscription, currently going on 20% off for sale, like a Windows and Mac as well. So look at this here, the prices of Windows here. It's very affordable, prices is not so big, and here the Mac related prices is available. One click data recover for Mac. Duplicate files, remove all duplicate files, repair this file. Which option you want, select accordingly, you should decide. Link is available on video description. We can just simply click here and download a file. Just simply click twice. How to install? Just simply drag and drop here and very easily install in your Mac. Consuming sizes of 384 MB only. Fast way to installation and very easy to install. Installation is successfully done. We just simply click here Launchpad, and boom, the software is here, Tenorshare 4DDIG. You just simply click here, open. So first time you need to provide authentication. This is the software. First section come here, hard drive, SSD card. It means the pen drive. I already connected this pen drive. So duplicate, video recover, iCloud, crash, compute, crash Mac, video or large file. Which file you want recover, accordingly you should decide. So we target here in this video just only the pen drive. You can do the same process and recover very easily other files and data as well. Scan here, so 59 files, local disk historical. So just simply scan here, and after clicking the scan here, the which types of data you want recover. So I go through here all types of data. Demonstration point of view, I select here only photo and scan only photos. So you need to spend here time 0 to 100%, and data is recovering continuously. Look at this here, 50 items found, 160 MB, and the recovery process is going on. You need to spend here around 5 to 10 minutes to recover all the data. Even not 3 files I deleted in starting the video. I just deleted 3 files, but apart from that, the software are recover or restore other images and photos also. If I use this one last like 1 year or 2 years continuously, and if I delete those images, so all the data is recovered with the help of the software. So we just simply recover. So you just consider this one is 100% done, and now currently we recover here 68 items. So we just simply say recover, repair on recover. We just go through the recover only, and where you want store this file. So I just simply select here in the pen drive. I want save this file in pen drive only. So save now, yes. And now might be wait, look at this here, the all our deleted files is a store on the specific location here. And even I open here on the pen drive, look at this here, software automatically created the software related folders. But we are spending here a couple of minutes to complete the entire process, and then I will show you how much images I am recovering. So 68 items, around less than 200 MB, but still continuously recovering is going on. So wait couple of seconds to complete this process. And the software is very easy to understand, very easy to installation. Anyone can very easily use the software. So total data we are recover 68 files, 224 MB. We just simply click here and look at this here. This is the file we are save the data, sing, and deleted files name not found and trash. So we click here trash. So here just couple of seconds ago I delete this image, and this deleted image is coming here. That one is really nice. Apart from that two images, I delete other data also previously. So those data is also restore here, some book related files, deleted files. It's very easy to recover data with the help of Tenorshare for DDIG data recovery software. Link is available on video description. If you have any question, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video, subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.